Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into tabular integration, a powerful technique to tackle complex integration by parts problems. We'll work through some examples together to master this method. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button to get notified about new math adventures. Before we start, I want you to solve these examples after watching the video and write your answers in the comment below. Now, let's go. Integral of x power 4 cosine x dx. So we create a table with two columns, and we divide the equation into two parts, f of x and g of x. F of x is x power 4, and g of x is cosine x. Now for the f of x, we do the derivative to reach 0, so it will be minus 4x cubed, 12x squared, minus 24x, 24, and 0. If you are asking yourself about the negative sign, the rule says that we negate every second entry under f of x. Now for g of x, we integrate to get sine x minus cosine x minus sine x, cosine x, and sine x. And if you are facing any problem with derivative or integrals, check the links in the description below. I have some videos on my channel on how to solve them step by step. Now we follow these arrows, so we multiply f of x by the integral of g of x. Second one, we multiply the first derivative by the second integral, and so on to reach the end. So it will be equal x power 4 sine x plus 4x cubed cosine x minus 12x squared sine x minus 24x cosine x plus 24 sine x. Next, we take sine x and cosine x as a common factor. So sine x into x power 4 minus 12x squared plus 24 plus cosine x into 4x cubed minus 24x plus c. Now let's move to this example and do the same procedure. So here f of x is x power 5 and g of x is e power minus x. So the derivative will be minus 5x power 4, 20x cubed minus 60x squared, 120x minus 120, and 0. And the integral will be as follows. Now we use the arrows. And the answer will be minus x power 5 times e power minus x, minus 5x power 4 times e power minus x, minus 20x cubed times e power minus x, minus 60x squared times e power minus x, minus 120x times e power minus x, minus 120 times e power minus x. And the final answer is minus e power minus x into x power 5 plus 5x power 4 plus 20x cubed plus 60x squared plus 120x plus 120 plus c. And this is the last example for today. Again, we create the same table. This time, f of x is 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x plus 11, and g of x is e power 2x. We do the integral and the derivative as you can see, and we add the arrows. So the final answer will be e power 2x into 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 9 over 2 times x plus 13 over 4 plus c